Here's another fun trick you can do with your induction motor. You can make a standalone generator. Here we have the induction motor is plugged in an ordinary power strip. In the second outlet we have some capacitors. Capacitors neither add power nor subtract it, they just correct the power factor. That's an important factor in making an induction motor into a generator. Here we have our kilowatt, and it's showing 51 watts right now. And plugged into the kilowatt is a ordinary incandescent light bulb. This may be your last chance to see one of these. They're getting ready to ban them, but this kind of light bulb used to be very popular around the turn of the century. And our compressed air tank as usual. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the flow of air, and then we're going to unplug the power strip. And it shouldn't surprise anybody right now, since I haven't turned the air on. When I unplug the power strip, the light will go out. So, very impressive, huh? But that's because there's no air flowing, and we aren't running our air motor yet. Now, reading 122 volts. Reading, takes a moment to get ready. So the light bulb is drawing 52 watts. And let's turn on some air. Let's see, can we read both of these at the same time? Let's make this a little easier to see. Much better. I like to get the air pressure in the picture at the same time. So, turn on the air. Unplug the power strip. And we are still generating power. We're generating about 30 watts right now. The light bulb is still lit. We are getting our traditional exhaust. Kilowatt is cut out, and the motor stalls at about 30 psi. And one last thing about the induction motor. We're running it now without the belt. The induction motor is driving nothing. And we can see that unloaded induction motor draws about 117 watts. Okay, and once again, it's 5.5 amps and a half horsepower. And we can see that even unloaded, it's still drawing 5.4 amps. That should go up a little bit at the full rated horsepower. And you'll see power factor. Let's see, power factor is very low. 0.17. Unloaded induction motor has a very poor power factor. Doesn't consume very much energy, but it certainly borrows a lot from the line, as the capacitors are